This is the mini lesson on the order of operation. So if you remember, if you've ever heard Pemdas, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, it stands for the first thing you do is parentheses, second thing exponents, third thing multiplication and division from left to right, and then the fourth thing is doing addition and subtraction from left to right. So when we're looking at an equation like this, an expression like this, we've got 4 squared divided by 2 plus 3 times 9 minus 5. So you just got to break it down and look at exactly what steps you're supposed to do first. It tells us that the first thing that we should be doing is to do the parentheses. So we do the 9 minus 4, 9 minus 5 right here, and get our 4. So then we look again. Okay, next step, exponents. So 4 squared is 16. So now I just bring that down. I got 16 divided by 2 plus 3 times 4. Well, now it tells me that the next step, the third, is to do the multiplication and division from left to right. So we're looking at this. 16 divide 2 is 8. Plus, well, that's not multiply or divide. So then we look at 3 times 4. It's just 12. So now we're down to 8 plus 12, which is 20. So if we're looking here in our skills example, we've got 18 divide 2 minus 4. Well, we know that that equals 9 minus 4, because we did the division first, because we didn't have parentheses, we don't have exponents. So we multiply, divide from left to right. Well, that's 18 divide 2, which is 9, minus 4, which is 5. Here we're looking, we look again. Okay, parentheses. Okay, our parentheses right there, 6 minus 2. So I've got 12 times 4, which is 48. Number 3 here on our skills example. Got a little bit longer one. Let's see, don't have parentheses, don't have exponents. So multiply, divide from left to right. 14 times 3 is 42. Now we've got 42 minus 19, which is 23. Number 4. Again, you just go down the steps. Parentheses. No, no parentheses. Exponents. No, I don't see any exponents. Multiply, divide from left to right. So we start here on the left. So we've got 20 divide 10. Well, we know that's 2. Plus 21 times 5. Well, we don't do the plus yet. We do the 21 times 5, which is 105. So now we just have 2 plus 105, which is 107. Now this number 5 looks like it's getting difficult, but again, you just got to break it down with your steps. Look at first, what's inside the parentheses? Parentheses is first. So you're doing right there the 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we end up with, oops, they didn't write that out, but it'd be 5 squared minus 5. Well, next step is to do exponents. That's where they got the 25, because 5 squared is 25. So now they had 25 minus 5, which is 20. Now let's look at our application example here. It shows that at a museum, 4 adults pay $5 each and 6 children pay $3 each. What is the total cost of the tickets? So you're going to figure out how much they spent for adults, how much they spent for kids' tickets, and you're going to add them together. So 4 adults at $5, 4 times 5, which is 20. And then you have your kids' tickets, you got 6 of those for $3 each, so you take 6 times 3, which is 18. So you take the 20 plus 18 and get the 38. Now go ahead and try the bottom section on your own.